Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mercedes-Benz V-Class versus the Toyota Vellfire. We'll explore their key differences, focusing on aspects like interior luxury, performance, and overall value. This comparison will help you decide which premium minivan best suits your needs, whether for family trips or business travel. Let's dive into the details of these two impressive vehicles. When it comes to performance, the Mercedes-Benz V-Class often boasts robust diesel engines, delivering strong torque and a refined driving experience. Its suspension is tuned for a more engaging feel, akin to a luxury sedan. In contrast, the Toyota Vellfire frequently utilizes efficient hybrid systems, providing excellent fuel economy and a remarkably quiet cabin. The Vellfire's ride is designed for maximum passenger comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Inside, the Mercedes-Benz V-Class exudes luxury with high-quality materials, elegant finishes, and a sophisticated MBUX infotainment system. Its cabin design is driver-focused, offering a premium feel for everyone. The Toyota Vellfire, however, prioritizes passenger comfort with expansive legroom, reclining captain's chairs, and numerous convenience features like power sliding doors. Both vehicles offer ample space, but their approaches to luxury and functionality differ significantly. Considering value, the Mercedes-Benz V-Class typically comes with a higher initial cost, reflecting its luxury branding and advanced engineering. It offers a prestigious image and a refined driving experience. The Toyota Vellfire, on the other hand, is celebrated for its exceptional reliability and strong resale value, making it a practical long-term investment. It provides a comfortable and dependable ride for years. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other fantastic deals. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize outright luxury or proven dependability and value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.